At Bruckner's Truck and Equipment, we do custom from start to finish. You need it, we build it. Our state-of-the-art facility in Enid, Oklahoma is equipped to handle custom projects of any kind. Truck and trailer builds, beds, wiring, hydraulics, vacuum pumps, kill trucks, winch trucks, chassis modifications, frame stretches, roll-offs, pusher axles, and more. We customize what you need to get the job done. Big or small, we do them all. With 10 custom fabrication bays, customization techs with diverse experience, and a state-of-the-art precision plasma cutting system and a press brake. Our Ultra PG14 plasma table features unmatched steel cutting performance with true hole technology. We can accomplish this with our new high-definition inox process that prevents the mixing of air into the plasma gas, creating an improved brighter edge finish. Our Bystronic PR320x4100 press brake has the capability of bending materials up to 1 inch thick, carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum in a wide range of various lengths and thicknesses. It's our decades of know-how experience and get-it-done attitude that will get your custom build on the road and on the job. Your success is our success. From oil fields to construction sites, agriculture, industrial, government, or personal, we build your custom truck or personal project the right way, when you need it, how you need it. At Bruckner's in Enid, Oklahoma, we know custom.